Well, hello. Here we are, and we're looking at our third discussion this week. As you see the title, No Taxation Without Representation. This is something most of you hopefully were drilled into your head when you're elementary school students when you first learned about the American Revolution. So let's take a look at the discussion, and it is a quote. It is inseparable, essential to the freedom of the people, and the undoubted right of Englishmen, that no taxes be imposed on them but with their own consent, given personally or by their representatives. Resolutions to the Stamp Act Congress of 1765. Now, what your job is to explain two of the following incidents or activities that demonstrated American support for this statement. The Boston Tea Party. Colonial boycotts as a result of things in even the Boston Tea Party can be interconnected in one way. The committees of correspondence that were used between the colonies to say, are you experiencing the same kind of crap that we're experiencing as well? And the last part, the Stamp Act Congress, okay? The key word in there is Congress. And what students have done in the past when they try to write about this is they just talk about the Stamp Act. Now understand, the Stamp Act Congress came about due to the Stamp Act. So you look at what did the Stamp Act Congress propose? What did they do as well? Okay? No need to write about the Stamp Act. So those are the things you're going to be looking for and what you're going to be specific. And don't just make the statement, use analysis as before. And of course, you have until Thursday at 4 p.m. to send me your discussion, and I'll be more than happy to look at it, critique it, and hopefully get you to your A. All right? So I look forward to your discussion this week. Have a good week.